Okay, hello YouTube. So I don't know if any of my brush keep falling and I'm done. But hello YouTube. I don't know if any of y'all keep like seeing reviews on this blow dryer brush thing from Revlon. That's really changing the game from the reviews I've been seeing. Let me show y'all the box because I'm gonna take it out. Bam. That's the box. Oh, it was upside down. I know it looks funny, but that's the box. And I've seen like 2 or 3 good videos of natural hair girls with way kinkier texture than mine, or same texture than my hair, using this, and it works like a charm for them. So I'm just taking it out the box. But yeah, all it comes with this one thing in the box. Hopefully this cord is long enough to reach over here. And what I've heard in the I'm mad as fuck. It got hair in here. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Like, I'm really pissed the fuck off now. Sorry for this language, but that's nasty. And I could have returned that to Ulta and let them and cussed everybody out, but my hair wet as fuck and I ain't going nowhere. I'm tired. So I got the hair out. Like, I was, ooh. Like, how y'all not gonna just check y'all product before putting it back on the shelf? That's nasty. Real nasty. Having folks hair. Nobody want that shit. But anyways, I got the hair out. Ugh, gosh, disgusting. But I got the hair out. But yeah, it comes with an off, cool, low, high thing on there. Let's see. It gets really hot, and I heard this before from previous videos that air only comes out right here and not the whole thing, which is weird because I don't know how when there's it's like holes all throughout the thing, but I don't know. That's where how it does that. But anyways, I have my products. I have my leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna use. Then my other stuff. Oh, my heat protectant. Okay, and then this is the heat protectant that I use. I've been using it for a very, very, very long time now. It works for me. Yeah, my hair never been heat damaged. So this is what I use. So yeah. So, and my brush, I should have been picked that up. Let's take this. I've been in here drying. Ooh, woo! Okay, so I'm just gonna spray this all over my head like as much as I can. I need some more of this. Because we don't got no more. Okay, so that's in there. Because like I said, it's not a lot in here. And my fingers hurt. So I usually section my hair off. And I only got, you know, I'm kind of prepared but wasn't. But I'm going to section my hair off. I'm missing my ratio comb. We got to find that. But I'm going to section my hair off and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've already sectioned it as much as I can. And I combed it out. So let's put old Revlon to the test here. See what she working with. I'm going to just do it again. Oops, see if this snags. Don't worry about my hair. What it? Anyways. So I'm just going to put it on high. I want to say I'm not surprised because I saw the reviews and they were all good. So I'm gonna say it's living up to its expectation. I should have not worn black, but without showing y'all too much. Here we go. I'm gonna have to change shirts so y'all can get that full effect of the length. But this is the length that I'm working with. And you know what? I'm so mad. I'm gonna have to cut my split ends. Don't y'all hate that? Your hair like, ooh yes, come on hair. And then you will have to cut the dang split ends. But yeah, I'll be back once I'm done with my whole head. And when I have a better looking shirt on. I had another shirt on. I just grabbed this, but yeah, I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm done basically with my hair. And this is the finished product. Move this stool out the way so I won't trip on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just go back over my hair, cause let's see, the front got a little trouble with the front to get it done. Show the back real quick. Hopefully y'all can see. But I'm gonna go back over it with a high. I'm gonna go back over with high, then again the whole thing on cool. So overall, I would rate that. Okay, what time did I get started? Let's say around 5:30, and it's about 6:30 almost now. Let's see. It's 6:28, so 6:30. So that took up an hour, maybe less. I can't remember. I did take a break, but I would give that a 5 thumbs up if I could. It got my hair very stretched, like very stretched. Now I could, if I wanted to, do a little silk out or a nice twist or braid out or any style that you want to do now with this, because that thing works. Okay, Revlon, you did something, and I'm happy. I can replace, because I've been in the market for an I do blow dry anyway. Now I got like the 2-in-1 thing going on, where I don't have to hassle with my comb attachment coming off all the time, or the teeth of the comb attachment breaking off and everything like this. So money well spent. And I got this at Ulta Beauty. You can get this anywhere, Walmart, Target, I heard Walgreens, but I got it at Ulta Beauty Plus because I had a 20% off. So get that discount, girl. So yeah, you can, like I said, if you want to do that, go to Ulta Beauty and get that 20% off. You can go to their website or download the app. It'll be in the coupon section. Just mess around in there. But yeah, I hope y'all like this. Peace, love, and happiness. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all next time, hopefully.